Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix volume up down problem automatically, how you can use another feature instead of this pressing volume up and down button. If this button is not using, how you can use alternate feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, swipe down, here it is additional settings, click on additional settings, click on accessibility, and here it is accessibility menu. If you have not enabled this, just enable this and allow. And friends, here you can see it is enabled, this shortcut. You have to just click on it, and here you can see accessibility settings. You can also use another features like notification and toggle. Here it is the control center. Click on notification, it is showing all the notification. Click on volume, and you can see this is how you can increase and decrease by clicking on this button like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.